how to log into your Garena account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get through any sort of browser. Currently I am on my Chrome browser, and then from here what you're going to do is simply search for Garena, right? After searching for it, here you'll be able to see this first link. Simply click on it, and then we'll get into the official website of Garena. Then from here, in order to log into your account, simply click on the option account on the top right here, and after doing that, we will actually get into our account center, from where you will actually get into the login page, right? So all you need to do is simply add in your Garena username, your email address, or it can also be your phone number, and the password of your account. So after adding up all of those credentials, all you need to do is simply click on login now, and just like that, you will actually be logged into your Garena account. So in here, if you have forgotten your password, you can even click on the option forgot password right here. Then you can simply add in your email address, or you can choose to add in your phone number too. And then when you click on next, you can actually get a OTP, or you might also get a link on your email address. So all you need to do is simply open that link and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. Then you can simply come back to your login page just like this, add in your credentials and the new password, and then simply click on login now, and like that, you'll actually be able to log into your Garena account. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.